guys in your everyday life find and you feel within the system you have been given? Sometimes there are some moments where we feel touched by something or something takes over us and we feel moved by it. Would somebody want to share something like that so we can set a tone of what we feel, how we feel inhabited by our body?
When I read the introduction of this session, I found it quite interesting because often we are just observing the world around us, but we barely move our senses within our body. So this was a very different and eye-opening experience.
I've moved with Somya and Gia before. And I think the thing I like most about it is that I never know what I'm getting into. And I always walk out feeling more connected with my body. And I can carry those experiences not only into a dance class, but also just as soon as I step out of that space into life.
We've had a lot of discussions about the connection between the body and the mind and how they kind of drive each other and they heal each other in some ways. So I was able to eventually get out of my own head and kind of let my body guide me, and I really feel like that's the most difficult thing to do.